Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Here is Dr. Imran from Pakistan. So today we talk about thyroid issues. Homeopathy for thyroid is a natural approach that may help balance the thyroid gland function, symptoms, and improve overall health and well-being. Some of the potential benefits homeopathy for thyroid disease include it can help to reduce swelling in the thyroid gland. It can help to improve the production of thyroid hormones. It can help to relieve symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and hair loss. It can help to improve overall quality of life. So, what is the thyroid disease? Thyroid disease affects millions of people worldwide and can have significant impact on their overall health and well-being. The thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located in the neck, produces hormones that regulate metabolism and other body functions. The thyroid gland produces three hormones. The thyroid hormones is essential for numerous bodily function. It helps with brain development and function, regulate heart rate and body temperature, and aids in the development and different function of the body cells. However, when there is an imbalance in thyroid hormone level, these vital function can be affected when the thyroid gland is not functioning correctly. It can lead to various symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, and depression. This imbalance can lead to various thyroid disorders such as hyperthyroidism. And hypothyroidism is condition in which the thyroid gland fail to produce enough hormones to meet the need of the body. Second, on the other hand, hyperthyroidism is a condition in which the thyroid gland produces excessive hormones. However, one can get the best thyroid treatment. Common cause of thyroid. This is an autoimmune disorder and the most common cause of thyroid disease. The immune systems attack the thyroid gland, causing inflammation and damage if a person has a disease. The second, this damage can lead to reduced production of thyroid hormone. Second, thyroiditis. This is a condition in which the thyroid gland become causing the stored hormone to leak out of gland. This leak can lead to an excess of thyroid hormones. Third, surgical removal of thyroid gland. Surgical removal of the thyroid gland can lead of hypothyroidism as the gland can no longer produce thyroid hormones. In some cases, only a portion of the thyroid gland may need to be removed, but this can still affect the gland functions. Fourth, radiation therapy used for the treatment of hyperthyroidism. Radiation therapy is sometimes used to treat, but it can also damage the thyroid gland, leading to hypothyroidism. Fifth, iron deficiency. Iron is essential for the production of thyroid hormones. Iron deficiency can therefore lead to reduced thyroid hormones production, resulting in hypothyroidism. Sixth, stress. Stress can cause change in body's hormones level, including the hormones that regulate the thyroid gland. Prolonged stress can lead to imbalance in these hormones, which can cause hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Disorder of pituitary gland. Disorder of the gland in the endocrine system, such as the adrenal gland, can also affect the thyroid gland function. First, the endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and secrete hormones that regulate various body functions. Second, hormones by the adrenal glands, for example, can interact with the thyroid gland and affect its functions. Third, imbalances in hormones produced by other glands can result in hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Symptoms of thyroid. First, weight loss, deposit increase opposite, increase appetite, rapid or irregular heartbeat, nervousness, anxiety, or increased sensitivity to heat, sweating excessively, difficulty sleeping, fatigue or weakness, change in menstrual patterns, enlarged thyroid gland goiter, black eyes, symptoms of hypothyroidism, fatigue and lack of energy, weight gain or difficulty losing weight, cold intolerance, constipation, dry skin and hair, depression or mood swings, muscles weakness or joint pain, slow heart rate, impaired memory, thinning hair or hair loss, menstrual irregulations. So now I want to talk some natural homeopathic remedies which we are common use for a thyroid. First remedy is iodium. First remedy is iodium. IODUM. Iodium is an effective remedy for both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. It is indicated for people who feel exhausted, experience weight loss, and have an increased appetite. Second, iodium help regulate thyroid function by resulting the balance of iodine in the body. Second remedy. So iodium we are used according to symptoms in 30C and in 200C and in 1 m. Second remedy is lycopodium. Lycopodium is often used for people with hypothyroidism with experienced constipation, bloating, and weight gain. It also helps the frequent hair loss. Lycopodium helps improve digestion and metabolism, which can relieve some of the symptoms of hypothyroidism. Third remedy is natrum. Natrum is one of the best remedy for thyroid. It is used for people with hypothyroidism who experience coldness, fatigue, and depression. It also helps with dry skin and hair loss. This remedy helps regulate fluid balance in the body and improve the absorption of nutrients. So we are use Natrum in 3x, Natrum in 6x, Natrum in 12x, Natromur in 24x, Natromur in 30C, Natromur in 200C, and Natromur in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is sepia. Sepia is useful for the hypothyroidism who experience heavy menstrual bleeding, slow digestion, and weight gain. Sepia helps improve circulation and digestion, which can relieve some of the symptoms associated with hypothyroidism. So we are use sepia in 30C, sepia in 200C, and sepia in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Calcarea carb. Calcarea carb is used for people with hypothyroidism who experience fatigue, anxiety, and weight gain. It also help with coldness and constipation. This remedy helps regulate calcium level in the body, which can affect thyroid function. So we are use Calcarea carb in 30C, Calcarea carb in 3x, Calcarea carb in 6x, Calcarea carb in 6C, Calcarea carb in 12C, Calcarea carb in 30C, Calcarea carb in 200C, Calcarea carb in 1M, Calcarea carb in 10M, Calcarea carb in 50M, Calcarea carb in CM according to the patient condition. Next remedy is ferrum fast. Next remedy is ferrum fast is is a powerful remedy for thyroid. It is often used for people with hyperthyroidism and who experience racing thoughts and palpitations. This remedy helps reduce inflammation in the body and regulate the immune system, which can relieve some symptoms of hyperthyroidism. So we are use ferrum fast in 3x, ferrum fast in 6x, ferrum fast in 12x, ferrum fast in 30C, ferrum fast in 200C, and ferrum fast in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Lexis. Next remedy is Lexis. Lexis is used for people with hyperthyroidism who experience an overactive thyroid, hot flashes, and anxiety. It helps regulate blood flow and reduce inflammation, which can relieve some of the symptoms associated with hyperthyroidism. So we are use Lexis in 30C, Lexis in 200C, and Lexis in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Phytolacca berry. Next remedy is Phytolacca berry. Phytolacca, another best remedy is for thyroid. Phytolacca is used for people with hypothyroidism who experience neck pain and tender nodules. It also helps with weight gain and constipation. This remedy helps reduce inflammation in the thyroid gland and regulate metabolism. So we are use Phytolacca berry in mother tincture, Phytolacca berry in 1x, Phytolacca berry in 2x, Phytolacca berry in 3x, Phytolacca berry in 4x, Phytolacca berry in 5x and 6x, 30C, 200C, and 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Spongia tosta. Next remedy is Spongia tosta. Spongia tosta is used for people with hypothyroidism who experience a sore throat, hoarse voice, and dry cough. It also helps with anxiety and irritability. This remedy helps reduce inflammation in the throat and improve breathing. We are use Spongia tosta in mother tincture in 1x, in 3C, in 6C, Spongia tosta in 6C, Spongia tosta in 6C, Spongia tosta in 30C, and Spungia tosta in 200 C and Spungia tosta in 1 m according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Thuja. Thuja is a helpful remedy for the thyroid used for people with hypothyroidism who experience hair loss and weight gain. It helps with anxiety and depression associated with thyroid. This remedy helps regulate hormones level and improve the immune system. So we are use Thuja in 3x, Thuja in 6x, Thuja in 1 m, Thuja in 30C, Thuja in 200C, Thuja in 1 m, Thuja in 10 m, Thuja in 50 m, and Thuja in cm according to the patient condition. Next, I want to talk some single remedies which we are common use for thyroid issue. Lycopodium in 30C, Lycopodium in 200C, and Lycopodium in 1 m according to the patient condition. Lack of self confidence, absent minded, easily offended, loss of memory, feels better after eating anacardium 30C 3 times a day. Hey, childish behavior, strangers, chili patient, Bratacar 200C 3 times a day. History of abortion, weight gain, edema of pyrogenum 200C or pyrogenum in 1 m weekly, 1 dose. In chronic cases, in chronic cases, start with tuberculinum 1 m every week, 1 dose. In unmarried persons, forced to old bachelors and maids. Conium Mac 200C or Conium Mac 1 m weekly, 1 dose. Restlessness, desire sweets, cannot stand thyroid, thyroidinum 3x or thyroidinum in 30C 3 times a day. With restlessness, eats well, yet iodium 30C 3 times a day. Fear of darkness and thunderstorm, delicate anemic patient crave for cold and salt, phosphorus 200C 3 times a day. For hot patients, sweets easily rose in Sweats easily rose in warm, damp weather, better from any motion, exercise, and C. Bromium 30C 3 times a day. So biochemic remedies, Calcarea fast, Calcarea floor help such type of cases. So now I want to share some single homeopathic remedies for daughter. At the age of, especially when patient is susceptible to cold, Calcarea iodide 3x 3 times a day. For obese constipated patients, non-toxic water, fucus worse in 3C or 6C, 3x or 6x 3 times a day. Water from suppressed menses, ferrum iodide 3x 3 times a day. Hard with the feeling as if the air inhaled in passing through the gutter, pain, hot region, choking feeling in the throat, spongia tosta 200C 3 times a day. Intercurrent remedy, especially in fatty patients, thyroidinum 200 or thyroidinum 1 m weekly 1 dose. Swollen, painful, with even tough eating, well rose during menstrual periods, increase in size. Iodium 30C or iodium 200C 3 times a day. With cardiac symptoms, construction of goiter, cactus gland in mother tincture or cactus gland in 6C 3 times a day. Left-sided with liver disorder jaundice, chelidonium Q or chelidonium 6C 3 times a day. Right-sided patient oversensitive to all impressions marked chilliness, Heparsult 30C or Heparsult 200C 3 times a day. Goiter quite big of the size of hen egg. Goiter quite big of the size of hen egg. Bromium 6C or 30C 3 times a day. Hard swollen rose during new moon chilly patient. Calcarea carb 1 m weekly 1 dose. Goiter swollen with heat and inflammations. Phytolacca berry, Phytolacca deck 30C 3 times a day. Pressing pain around hard swelling on upper right lobe of the goiter. Natrum carb 30C 3 times a day. This is all what I have. If anyone have a question about this topic, so I'm here to answer. So anyone have a question about this topic? So I want to say thanks to everyone. Next Sunday, same time, with new topic. We meet again here, and God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Imran.
Thank you. Welcome.